What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing some example solves for you guys. And for the first solve, I had a pretty special scramble for you guys. This right here is a scramble that I got a little while ago, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So first off, I saw that this was a one-move insert, and then if I put this down here, that it would pair up with this for a block, and that these two would be connected when I did the R, and then when I did the F prime, they're going to end up here, like this. And so once I insert this one, they're going to go from here to here, and I'll just do L prime E to L for my second pair. So I'm going to do that, and insert that in the back. Then this is my next pair, and this is my next pair. And I have a soon. I'll skip. That was my 5.09 scramble. For those of you who didn't know that, it was a relatively easy scramble, and I saw a lot of it in inspection, which is why the solve was so fast and fluid. And in general, being able to see second pair or really far into the solve in inspection is one of my biggest strengths as a solver, and that's why I'd say that's one of the main reasons why I'm sub 9. So for this, I'm going to be talking about relatively advanced things. These example solves that I'm about to do are not necessarily for beginners. What I'm going to do is I'm going to not talk about basic F12 pairs, not talk about insert stuff like that, and I will just do it assuming you know what I'm doing for the most part. I'll just explain what I'm seeing throughout. Then also, I'm color neutral, so these are going to be color neutral example solves. At some point in the future, if people ask me to do non-color neutral example solves enough, I might do it, but for now, these are color neutral. So for this scramble, I'm going to be doing red. I see this, 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 and this is already here. So I'm going to do D prime R, F, and then DL. This is my first pair. I can see this pair, I can see this, and this. This will be here. So I'm going to do D prime R, F, D, L, and I'll do this first pair, and then this pair. And I see this pair that I'm forming, so I insert that. OL, PL. Okay. So I'm looking at this scramble, and I can see this is going to form a block, this pair, and this. Ooh, I can see double X cross, or two pairs, very easily. This I'm going to put in here, and then I'm going to do R, F, but I'm going to preserve this. So insert in the back, U to keep this safe, and the cross, so I keep the X cross. I'm going to insert this, and then I can see my entire F12. I can see this pair and then this pair. Hello. Ooh. Below. It's hard to see through the camera. So that probably would have been another incredible solve. That was a really easy scramble. This one is, oh my, what? Not that great. Oh, never mind. It is pretty good. I see second pair. I see second pair very easily. This, I'm going to do D, R prime, L prime, F prime, D. And my first pair is going to be this, which is going to be a three-move insert, and my second pair is going to be this, which is going to be another three-move insert. And I see this pair right here, and I see this pair right here. And I see two edges oriented, and I know it's in the back slot, so I'm just going to do triple sexy. Oh, PL. This one is not as pretty as the others. I'm just going to look for first pair for this one. And, well, no. I can see second pair too. First pair is going to be this, second pair is going to be this. So I'm going to do F L2 U R2 D prime. Insert this, then insert this. I don't see any greens. I see this. I'm going to do this. I see green here. Insert OL. PL. Ooh, I did not mean to do that. Shoot, I have to get the scrambles from somewhere else. Oh, darn it. Oh, I'm dumb. Whatever, I'll do it later. First pair is easy, second pair is easier. Okay, this is going to be up at the end. No. Yeah, it is. Okay, and then this is my first pair right here, because I'm going to do an RD cross. So this is up. I know its edge is here, so I'm going to do... I was going to do this, but then I see this pair comes out, so I'll do that. U2, back to this pair, and I see this right here, and then this right here, so as soon as I do this, I go into that. And then this is CP, E perm. Okay, my cross is going to be a little ugly, but I want to preserve this pair. I don't see second pair very well in the scramble, but what I'm going to do is D, L, F, D2, F, D, and then this is my second pair, and this is my third pair, and this is my fourth pair. OL, PLL. So that was not a scramble that I would have done particularly well on. Okay, I'm gonna do blue just so because I can see second pair. So I'm gonna do L, D, R, F, D. First pair is here, second pair is here, third pair is here. So I don't have to do them in order. I hope you saw that. That was a weird set of moves. Okay, let's go. Cool. Okay. Ooh, so I'm gonna do yellow here, and I'm gonna do this, this, this. I'm gonna save this pair here. Actually, that's not great. I'm gonna save this pair here. So I'm gonna distract these pieces. So, and I see this is here. So I'm gonna do this, just so this wouldn't be in the slot, and I do a U2. But I accidentally made this pair, so I'm gonna put this in, and then put this pair in. And I see this pair that's going to form right here, so I do that, and then I see this pair, and go like this. Winter variation. G perm. Wait, no, I have the scrambles. Oh, I'm so dumb. This is... Okay. Yeah, so this is going to be my first pair. This is going to be my second pair right here. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to insert this instead. I'm going to do this pair. And then this pair. Same OL that I keep getting. Okay, this is going to be my first pair, this and this. So I'm going to do D, U, R, F, and I'm going to rotate and put this in. And then while I'm doing this, I see this pair, and this pair, and this pair. So I have 3 pairs here. And instead of inserting this, because this pair is like this, I'll just do this. And then I'll do this pair. So for this scramble, this pair and this pair are going to be out. And I'm going to do this pair first because it's going to stay out. So I'm going to do D prime L2. Insert this, E2. I'm going to do this pair in such a way that this corner isn't facing up, because then this case would be really annoying. So E2 and then insert this. And then normally I would just do L prime E to L, but because this is here and I want to get it out, I'm going to do it this way, which takes more moves and 2 rotations, but it makes this pair much easier. Oh well, yeah. Okay, so I see first pair, that's going to be this. I don't really see second pair, this isn't that great of a scramble. Oh wait, yeah, no, it's not that great of a scramble. Oh shoot, which cross did I do? Oh jeez. Okay, yeah, I remember what I did. I'm going to do blue, so I'm going to do, and then insert this. And my first pair is here, and then my second pair just happened to come up here. Now I see this, and I see this. I know this is here, so this has to be the orange yellow, and this has to be this corner. So when I'm doing this, I know all that, and I rotate for EO. This is Niklaus. So those are 12 scrambles. I hope you guys got something out of that. This is my first set of example solves, so I'm not really that great at it. I'll make some more in the future to try and improve. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something, or at least saw that I can do lots of pairs and inspection. Alright, bye everybody.